Imagine flawless, clear, and radiant skin. Skin so smooth it's called glass skin. This beauty trend, inspired by Asian skincare, promises a healthy, clear complexion. And today we're exploring a time-tested secret ingredient that's surprisingly simple yet effective: rice. In this video, we'll discover how rice masks can give you that coveted glass-like glow, and the science behind why it works. Why rice for skin? Rice has been a skincare staple in Asian beauty routines for centuries. It's rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and vitamins that can repair skin, boost elasticity, and even out skin tone. Rice also contains ferulic acid and allantoin, which calm irritation and promote a smooth, flawless complexion. Benefits of rice masks. So what exactly can a rice mask do for your skin? Here's a quick breakdown. Brightening. Rice masks are known for their natural ability to brighten the skin, reducing dark spots and dullness. Anti-aging. Packed with antioxidants, rice helps combat free radicals, which can reduce the appearance of fine lines. Hydration and soothing. Rice masks nourish the skin barrier, helping to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Pore refinement. Rice masks can tighten pores and refine texture, giving you that glass skin effect. DIY rice mask recipes. Now, let's dive into some simple yet powerful rice mask recipes you can make at home. Basic rice flour and honey mask. To make this mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of rice flour, which you can make by grinding rice in a blender, 1 tablespoon of honey for added hydration and antibacterial benefits, a few drops of rose water or plain water to make a smooth paste. Mix the ingredients until they form a thick paste. Apply it to your face and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Gently rinse with warm water and enjoy instantly brighter skin. Rice water toner and mask. For an even simpler method, try rice water. To make rice water, rinse a cup of rice, soak it in water for 30 minutes, and strain out the liquid. Use this as a toner by soaking a cotton pad in it and applying it to your face. To make it into a mask, mix the rice water with a bit of rice flour for a smooth, milky texture. Apply, let it dry, and rinse off. This will leave your skin hydrated, toned, and noticeably radiant. Best practices for using rice masks. Here are some expert tips to get the most from your rice masks. Patch test. Always test any mask on a small area of skin first to avoid irritation. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Rice masks work best when used consistently, but not daily. Store fresh. Rice water can be stored in the fridge for up to a week. But always prepare fresh rice masks to get the full benefit of nutrients. Sunscreen is a must. Rice masks can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so don't skip sunscreen during the day. The science behind the glow. The secret behind the glass skin effect of rice lies in its nutrients, which nourish and protect the skin barrier. With regular use, rice masks improve skin elasticity, enhance moisture levels, and refine texture. The result: a luminous, clear, and healthy complexion. So whether you're aiming for that stunning glass skin look or simply want to add a natural boost to your skincare, rice masks are an incredible addition. Try these recipes and let us know your results in the comments below.